Hi students, good morning. The value of 1 minus cos A plus cos B minus of cos of A plus B by 1 plus cos A minus cos B minus cos of A plus B is equal to. So, in terms of tan, in terms of cot, this is the value. By using cos 2a formula, cos 2a, what about cos 2a? There are two formulas. So, 2 cos square a minus 1. So, 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a, and 1 plus cos a is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. Now, this is, first write these two terms, that is 1 minus of cos of a plus b. Minus is taken common, cos a minus cos b by, so these two you can take 1 minus cos of a plus b, a plus b, and this is plus these two terms, cos a minus cos b. What about 1 minus cos a formula? 1 minus cos a equal to, so what about cos a formula in terms of sign? 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So, okay, you take this side and cos a take that side. Therefore, 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus cos a formula, 2 sin square a by 2. So, this is 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a plus b by 2. 1 minus cos a formula, 2 sin square a by 2. And this is cos c minus cos d form. What about cos c minus cos d? That is minus 2 sin c a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. So this is the formula. Minus of minus, that becomes what? Plus. I can write it directly here, plus. By, this is also 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a is 2 sin square a plus b by 2. Plus, this is cos c minus cos d. Same as minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. So, in numerator 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a plus b by 2 common. So, that is 2 sin a plus b by 2 common. So, this is a sin of a plus b by 2, and this is a plus, this is a sin of a minus b by 2 by, in denominator also same term is taking common. So, this is a 2 sin of a plus b by 2 is taking common. So, this is sin of a plus b by 2 and this is a minus sin of a minus b by 2. So, these two gets cancelled. Now, this is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to what? 2 sin a cos b. So, this is 2 sin a is a by 2 and b is b by 2 by sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. is what? 2 cos A sin B. So this is 2 cos of A by 2 into sin of B by 2. So these two gets cancelled. So this is what? Sin by cos, which is tan A by 2 into this is cot B by 2. So this is sin by cos, cos by sin. So tan A by 2 into cos B by 2. Also we have one result. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2 means 90 degrees, then sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to, so this is one result, 4 cos A, cos B and cos C. If A plus B plus equal to pi by 2 are 90 degrees, then sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to 4 cos A, cos B, cos C. Now these are using transformations. So this is by using sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2A plus 2B by 2, which is A plus B into cos of 2A minus 2B by 2, cos of A minus B, plus this is a sin 2C, sin 2C. So this is 2 into sin of A plus B equal to what? 90 degrees minus C into cos of A minus B plus sin 2C. So this is 2 into sin 90 minus C is what? Cos C into cos of A minus B plus sin 2C formula 2 sin C into cos C. Okay, these two cos C is taken common. This is cos of A minus B plus this is sin C. Sin C. So this is 2 cos C into cos of A minus B and plus this is a sin of where C is equal to 90 minus of 90 degrees minus of A plus B. 90 minus of A plus B. So this is 2 cos C into this is cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B, sin of 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. So this is cos of A plus B. So that is equal to 2 cos C into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So this is 2 cos A cos B. That is equal to 4 cos A cos B and cos C. So this is the result. So sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to what? 4 cos a cos b cos c if a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees. Next one, if xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1, then x by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus y square plus z by 1 plus z square is equal to here put x is equal to tan a, y is equal to tan b, z is equal to tan c. Okay, tan a, tan b, tan c. Now this becomes, this is the tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a. This is equal to what? 1. These two, if you take tan b is taking common, this is tan a plus tan c is equal to write 1 minus of tan a into tan c. Now this is tan a plus tan c by 1 minus, you take this side, 1 minus tan a tan c is equal to tan b, write that side. What about this one? 1 by tan b. Now this is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. What is the formula? Tan of a plus b. Here tan of a plus c. So that is the formula. Tan of a plus c is equal to 1 by tan b is, that is cot b. So this cot b can be written as cot 9 tan of 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus b equal to what? Cot b. Cot b is equal to tan of 90 minus b. Tan 90 minus b is cot b. So implies both sides, implies a plus c equal to what? 90 degrees minus b. Implies a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. So a plus b plus c equal to 90 degrees. Now here in this one, now this is, what about x is equal to tan a? In this one, now we have to write this expression, x by 1 plus x square plus y by 1 plus y square plus z by 1 plus z square equal to, where tan x equal to what? Tan a equal to x equal to tan a. So this is tan a by 1 plus tan square a plus tan b by 1 plus tan square b plus tan c by tan c by 1 plus tan square c is equal to, Now this one. So, okay. So this is tan A by tan A by 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. Tan A by secant square A plus tan B by secant square B plus tan C by secant square C. So, okay. Now, what about tan A, sin A by cos A? So, this is sin A by cos A by 1 by cos square A plus similarly these two same. Cos A, 1 cos A gets cancelled. That is equal to what? Sin A cos A plus next one is similarly sin B cos B plus sin C into cos C. Okay. Now, for multiplying dividing by 2. So, this is 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin B cos B plus 2 sin C into cos C. So, this is a sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. That is equal to 1 by 2 of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So, if A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, what about sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to just now only the previous sum. What is the previous sum? 4 cos A cos B cos C. If A plus B plus C equal to 90 degrees, then the value of sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equal to, this is 1 by 2 of, so this is 4 cos A cos B cos C. That is 2 cos A cos B cos C. Cos C. Now, here, just there I put, what about x equal to tan A? So, this is tan A means what? X by 1. So, this is x, this is 1. So, what about this? 1 plus x square. Implies what is cos A equal to? Cos A equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square. And what about y is equal to? There we put y equal to tan B. Tan B is what? So, this is angle B. This is y. This is 1. Y means what? Tan B equal to y. Y means y by 1. So, this is, what about cos B equal to 1 by root of 1 plus y square. Similarly, cos C is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus z square. So, this is 2 into 1 by root of 1 plus x square, 1 by root of 1 plus y square, 1 by root of 1 plus z square. So, that is x by, that is 2 by root of 1 plus x square, root of 1 plus y square, root of 1 plus z square. So, that is the answer. Next one. If sin 3 theta minus sin theta into sin square 2 theta by sin theta plus sin 2 theta into cos theta is equal to cos x. Then x is equal to then the value of x is equal to, so in terms of, that is 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, theta. So options are like this. So cos 3 theta formula, sin 3 theta formula. What is sin 3 theta formula? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta minus sin theta into sin square 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta is 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta cos theta, sin square 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, that is 4 sin square theta cos square theta by, so this is sin theta plus sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta into cos theta, that is equal to, here sin theta is taking common, sin theta common, 3 minus 4 sin square theta. So okay, minus sin theta is taking common. What the remaining part? 4 sin square theta into cos square theta by, so this is sin theta is taking common. So this is 1 plus 2, this is cos square theta. So sin theta gets cancelled. So that is equal to 3 minus these 2. Again we have to take 4 sin square theta is taking common. That is 1 plus, this is cos square theta by 1 plus cos square theta by, so this is 1 plus, so this is 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, that is equal to, so this is 3 minus 4 into, again this right, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta into, this is 1 plus cos square theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta, that is equal to 3 minus 4 into, this is a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b equal to what? A square minus b square, where a square is 1 minus cos power 4 theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta. This is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square theta by 1 plus, so this is 2 cos square theta. Okay, this is equal to, that is 4 cos square theta minus 1. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by, so this is 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Now numerator is a square minus b square. What is a square? So this is 2 cos theta whole square minus 1. This is 4, not 4. This is 4. This is, now this is a square minus b square. Numerator is a square. 1 can be written as 1 square. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square form? A plus b into a minus b. So this is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So this is 2 cos square theta plus 1 into 2 cos square theta minus 1 by, this is 1 plus 2 cos square theta. So these two gets cancelled, which is equal to, this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. That is equal to cos 2 theta formula. What is the given question? Whole thing is equal to what? This is given cos x. Therefore x is equal to 2 theta. 2 theta is the answer. Next one, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to A, and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to B. Sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to B, and given alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta, that is given. Then cos 3 theta by cos theta is equal to, so cos 3 theta by cos theta in terms of AB, in terms of AB. So this is, let it be first one and this is second one. Now first one by second one. So this is cos C plus cos D form. This is cos C plus cos D form, and second one is sin C plus sin D form. Second one is sin C plus sin D form. So, okay. So, and also one relation is what? What is the relation between here? By squaring and adding. So, squaring and adding. This is cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. Squaring and adding equal to, this is a square plus this is b square. Now, so this is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. That is equal to what? A square plus b square. Squaring and adding. Now, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1 plus cos square beta sin square beta is 1 plus here these two. You can take 2 is taken common, that is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta is equal to a square plus b square. So, this is a 2 plus this is 1 plus 1 is 2. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is what? Cos of alpha minus beta is equal to a square plus b square. So, this is 2 which is taken common, 1 plus cos alpha minus beta is equal to given 2 theta. So, this is 2 theta is equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So, this is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to a square plus b square by 2. So, this is cos 2 theta is equal to a square plus b square by 2 minus 1. Minus 1. Now, so this is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 by 2. So, this is cos 2 theta value. Now, we have to calculate the value cos 3 theta by theta. Cos 3 theta. So, cos 3 theta by cos theta is equal to, cos 3 theta is what formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta is taking common, 4 cos square theta minus 3 by cos theta. So, cos theta gets cancelled. That is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. That is equal to 2 times of 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta minus 3. So, cos 2 theta formula is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, we take this side, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 times of 1 plus this is cos 2 theta minus 3. So that is equal to, so this is 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 3, that is 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So that is 2 into where cos 2 theta formula in terms of this. So this is a square plus b square minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So 2 gets cancelled, that equal to a square plus b square minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 3. So this is the answer, a square plus b square minus 3. Next problem. If cos x plus cos y plus cos z equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z is equal to 0, then cos square x minus y by 2 is equal to, options are given 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1. Cos x plus cos y plus cos z equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z equal to 0 implies cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z. So this is, let it be 1. And the second one, sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z. So this is second one. Now squaring and adding. So this is cos x plus cos y whole square plus this is sin x plus sin y whole square is equal to, by squaring cos square z, squaring sin square z, this is 1. Okay, this is the previous sum, same as previous sum, that is what, you put 2 times of 2 cos of x minus y, 2 times of 2, same as the previous sum, is equal to what, 1. So 2 cos of x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. So this is cos of x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So you have to find the value of cos square. What is cos A formula? 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So 2 cos square A by 2 is equal to what? Equal to 1 plus cos A. So cos square A by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of 1 plus cos A. Now using this, now we have to calculate this one. Now cos square x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of 1 plus cos of x minus y, using the same result, this result. So that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus of, the value is minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, thank you.